How to open a joint account in USAA. Log into your USAA online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Products and Services section. Look for the option to open a new account. Select the types of account you wish to open as a joint account. Choose the option to open a joint account rather than an individual account. Enter the required personal information for both account holders, including names, addresses, social security numbers, dates of birth. Review any additional terms and conditions associated with your opening a joint account. Confirm the information entered and agree to the terms. Fund the joint account by transferring money from an existing USAA online account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.